Welcome to my mom's channel, guys.
Hey, welcome back, YouTubers. Today I'm going to be making a Valentine's press-on set using the Makartt 6-color nail polish. Now these are my XXXL C-Curve E-Nail Couture. I think they're called Extreme Square. I really love these tips. They're etched on the inside already, so etching is not necessary. They're very, very long. What I like to start out with is just go ahead and buff in the top of the nail for better adhesion of my gel polishes. Now I do like to use that metal plate that you see here instead of the stand because the magnet holds on a lot better than on the stand, and also I'm able to kind of place the nails around where I want them. Typically when I complete one nail, I'll move it to the back, and when you go to put it in the lamp, the reflection from the light onto the metal plate also helps cure any dark colors that you might have, so you definitely know that the nail is cured all the way around. With press-on nails, they do come different lengths, and I absolutely don't like it. It's very cringy to me to see like all the different length nails. When I go to look at my nails, I want them to be nice and even. I want my shape to be nice and crispy. So what I'm doing right now with these tips, especially you see there the thumbnail, super freaking long. I'm just going in and I'm filing and cutting all of the nails even. Just double checking the sizes, making sure everything is good. And now I'm just taking my base and top coat that I'm going to be using for this set to go ahead and cover my nails up. I'm going to get them in the lamp. I do my curing off camera. Typically I do my base coat for 60 seconds. It's just my personal preference. 30 seconds works just fine, but that's just what I like to do. I'm going to be using a very nice nudie color. I really like, even you can look on my nails right now. I have a very similar color on. This is like my go-to shade. Anything that kind of varies around this shade here, I really like, especially if I'm going to be doing just like a simple set. The nails I have on right now are E-Nail Couture Sports Length, the square set. I just stuck them on. I put on some polish, 2 coats, a little bit of nail art from Burano, and boom, I had a whole nail set done in about an hour. Now I do 2 layers just to make sure that it's super solid, a nice consistent color. The color already is very pigmented itself, but with the nails being as long as they are, it can get a little bit spotty sometimes. You'll see a difference from the top versus the bottom. So I just go ahead and put 2 coats of gel polish on them. Here we go. I tried to do this nail art that I kept seeing with like the ripple heart effect. I will not lie, I'm not the best drawer, but my handwriting is beautiful. I'll say that. I can definitely write cursive very nice. I can do lettering very nice. But it's something about this very small canvas and these very small brushes and small tools. It just doesn't work for me. If you gave me like a big canvas or something like that, I can definitely paint a picture. I'll even show 2 pictures that I painted in the corner so that you can see like what I'm talking about. Something about nail art, I just can't do it. I also didn't realize either how similar in color the pink and the purple would be. So at the end of the video, you'll see me try to go in and make a little change to kind of have that stand out. But I really like this little heart thing. It gave me very much Powerpuff Girls. When you watch their little ending of the show and like all the heart ripples are coming out from behind them while they're doing their little pose. So I really liked seeing that on nails. And I thought, hey, why not give it a try? Initially, I made these nails to fit on my red iguana. And once I took my short nails off, I'm like, man, like I really wish I would have made these nails in my sizes. So I could have just quickly did another 5 and stuck them on myself. Instead, I did a Valentine's Day set using the Hooked on Love Poly Gel kit. And you'll actually see that on my next video. Trying to maintain the heart shape was actually pretty hard, and once I got to the final end of it, I didn't even like it anymore. But you know how they say, glitter makes everything better, so stay tuned for the final surprise. On this now, I'm trying to do a little heart in the corner. And again, you see my struggle. Poor heart. It looked more like some hills or something like that. I ended up putting a little bit of glitter on that joint too. I ultimately think the more that I practice doing nail art, the better that it will become, because even with doing like my acrylic nails now, I'm not gonna lie, these shits are fire, okay? I posted that one acrylic nail video, but wait till you see what I'm gonna post next, honey. I'm looking at them right now. Very pleased with these nails. The good thing about these press-on nails that I've been doing and these little practice nails that I've been doing is that I always have a reference to go back on of my progress. With doing acrylic, I just recently started to do other people's nails, you know, as a form of practice while I'm in nail school. I'm pretty excited about this journey that I'm about to take. I really kind of just took a leap of faith and did it. I felt like if I thought about it too much, I would have found 1,001 reasons not to do it versus just getting it done. My daughter has really gotten into nails too. She has so many poly gel kits. When Christmas rolled around, my aunt went in, okay? I'm so thankful for her and the things that she has always done for me, even from being young, you know? Things I was too scared to ask my mom about, things I was too scared to talk to my mom about or talk to anyone about. Aunts are really like the big sister to the oldest child. I'm the oldest of my mom's children. So my aunt kind of filled that I need a big sister too void. And the things that she does for my kids, like, I'm so grateful. It really gets me emotional sometimes because I don't know, sometimes I don't even ask. It's just like, you know, maybe she can just sense what's going on. She can just sense how I'm feeling, and she shows up in ways for me that I can't even explain. I'm just very, very appreciative. But for Christmas, my aunt bought my daughter basically everything nails, and she's been out here killing it. She's only 11. Now I'm covering these nails with my Presto Matte top coat. When you cure it, it does have an expulsion layer, so I do take my young nail swipe and just wipe it off so that you can see the matte finish. And when I say expulsion layer, I'm just meaning that shiny layer that appears after you've cured your nails. So these are all the nails, and then I did add a little razzle dazzle to it, like some glitter and stuff. Thanks for stopping by, viewing my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on my next one.